It's your girl Island the Brits, and I'm back with another video. Good morning, cause it's morning now. It's morning, okay? It's morning. I'm recording in the morning. So, I just woke up. As you can see, you're probably not. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just do a video of me preparing my breakfast this morning. I am very unsure of what I'm going to look about, but I'm going to look about something. So I'm like, all right, let the people them see what I would literally eat for breakfast. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth and wash my face and prepare my breakfast. All right, I'm already straighten on my bed. Cause some only just get up out of bed and I don't know if I'll brush my teeth. And first thing I'm gonna do, I look for food. But guys, once you wake up in the morning, look about your bed, clean your room. Alright, so my granny grow me and so my mother grow me, so that me do until now. Alright, so you know what, come along with me. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna brush my teeth. Still feel sleepy, still in my nightie, but I'm gonna try warm up myself and get active. Guys, I forgot to tell you now, make sure someone say a prayer too. When you wake up, say your prayer. Because without God, you wouldn't be watching this right now. Let Him be at the center of everything you do. No joke. But anyways, back into it. I'm going to brush my teeth. I sound a little droopy, but you will understand. I'm just waking up. So I have my toothbrush and my toothpaste. It's charcoal, guys. Because teeth are white like charcoal. So people, make sure brush your teeth, wash your face. When you wash your face, do not wipe your face. Pat your face. That must be on YouTube. Pat your face. And yeah, me this. Me wake up now. I'm up right now. Cause face wash, face look clean, face look pretty. And breakfast time now. Come here. Cause I know say well what so I'm gonna eat, but I don't know yet. Alright, come along with me. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen, yeah, and I'm gonna cook. Yeah, I'm not gonna cook, but I'm gonna fry, yeah. So y'all think I can cook, right? Y'all think I can fry, right? But I'm gonna show you how to do it, because I'm the chef, big purse chef. It's like y'all didn't know. Belly I call for this. Y'all don't come for me because I'm in my nightie or because my hair is bad. Don't come for me. Alright? Because me already telling them I'm just awake. I have no time for go put on nothing on, my breakfast time. You get what I say? Belly I call, belly I roll. So I gotta deal with it. Because I love my belly, I love my belly. I don't know about you, but I love my belly. Although some days I can go without eating because I don't know, just some say. Sometimes I eat a lot and then next time I don't want nothing to eat at all. But I don't know if I'm alone today, so. But anyways, enough talking. Just come cross, quick, bad Monday in your district. Where did I know that song from? Food we talk about today, so food we are going to continue to talk about. Alright people, I come back. As you can see, I wash my dumpling them. Cause if you're not for fry dumpling, you know say you have to wash the dumpling them off first before you fry them. You get what I say? Make them clean. How I say boil them in the water and thing, when you boil them in the water and whatever you boil them with, they have that little slime upon them. So I go wash it off. And cut them up. Okay, you know me a real chef, certified Brittany, the chef. Stop play with me. You know the thing go? You know the thing come down. When I done them they clean. Watch it. Clean. And now me gonna put my oil in my pot. Real grape seed oil. Nothing cheap, expensive things. You don't want a lot of oil in your pot, you know. You don't want a lot of oil. Small amount of oil, and I eat that because at the end of the day, when you put in the dumpling, them the oil will spread. Some of you don't know if I cook me and tell you no. Me and tell you no. The oil will spread. What's it? Small amount of oil and the oil spread. So me know say when me flip them over like so, Bombay jungle, golden brown. Golden brown. Come on, man. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. I know say 2 times I flip them. Bap, bap, bap. Golden brown. I'm going to take them out of the pot. When I take them out of the pot, look at that. Pretty. So darn pretty. And after that, I'm going to throw my sausage in. Sausage, where are you? Oh, going to the vegan pot. So I'm going to put my sausage in. You know, I'm going to fry them. Because you have to fry them. Only idiots will not fry them. And eat them raw. But we fry them. So I'm going to fry them, you know, still golden brown. Still golden brown. After I fry them and take them out and put in on my plate side of my golden brown dumplings. Wow. Wow. Organic egg. People, I don't know how much egg me eat, you know. Organic egg me eat. Me not eat nothing cheap. Be organic stuff. A joke, man. I'm a granny and me auntie buy them. No, I'm me buy them, man. I'm me buy them. Because my people, them are vegetarian. So then I eat meat, then I eat egg. So I'm me alone basically eat them stupid things, the unhealthy things. But anyways, back to me thing. Black pepper. Black pepper. Give it a little salt. And then some seasoning. All type of flavor seasoning. It's complete. It's complete. The name is on it. Mix it around. And then throw it in the pot. Throw it in the pot. Watch there. Who can chef like me? Nobody can chef like me. You know, I go open my restaurant because this too much now. I can't believe that's how good me is. Yeah, look at things. I grew up in the country. Country I come from, in a people country I come from. In case I never know, country I come from. But I live in a city for a couple of years. But country I born and grew up. So I know if I deal with the thing, I know nothing normal, this and not simple. But I go on with myself. Dolly come true when Dolly for come true. I run to bed, come here talk fast. But what you know, put it on. Yo, me done. I'm finished. I am finished. Because when I put that side, look there. Look at the presentation. Where my husband at? Where is my husband? I need a husband. Because look at that. Look at that. Wife material cooking this. No, people. Wow. Look at the color. Look at the presentation. Look at that. Me done talk. Play some music. I told you it wasn't normal. This thing ain't normal. I do a little fry and nothing. But me gonna start cook. Me gonna see man a real chef over here. I can cook. I'm gonna ask you, are you? Me not need nobody to tell me. Me know that for a fact. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to continue to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the notification bell. You get what I say? And come back again. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna drop some photos after this so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Alright, bye.